So if you're a subscriber, what go on? If you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy, relax, and I could get right into the video. As you can see, we're going to talk about Skeng. Yeah man, a viral video go around with Skeng a drink with champagne, all-time shoes. Yeah man, we really need to get into it. So remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy and make me kick this off the right way.
Oh no, catch a rocket with the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any on the rocket.
Time to get back the place crazy now.
Hey, murder, where you say?
Dynamite.
Shut up, man, no.
So to be honest with your subscriber, me personally not agree with that. You see me? That just look nasty. I tell you honest truth. That just nasty. But at the end of the day, I'm not gonna beat or bash Skeng pan whatever I want to do, because at the end of the day, if something will work for you as an artist, me not gonna say yo, you know fi do it, or me not gonna beat you upon it. If it will work for you, then go ahead and do it. You see me? If it provide you food on your table, go and go do it. You see me? But me personally just don't agree with it. And I see people say the shoes is clean, so nothing really wrong with it. While we also have the other side where people say, oh, it's just nasty. Skeng gone, Skeng mad out, you see me? Valiant sing mad out for Skeng. But as me say, me not beat Skeng pon it. An artist have to do what he have to do, because at the end of the day, I see Skeng perform where it's like Skeng performance them is like him mad out. Cause at one point Mrs. Skeng mash up one guitar on stage, and then after Mrs. Skeng climb up on this I don't know what it called, but he keep the stage light them. He have a stage light them on it. You see me? He have a stage light them on. Mrs. Skeng climb up on that and perform. You see me? So if those type of performance work for Skeng, me now go personally say nothing about it. My opinion is my opinion. My opinion is that yo, I'm gonna rate it. But if it will work for you, then go ahead and do it. You see me? Because at the end of the day, as an artist, you have to have some controversy with your name. Because if you do not have any, then you're gonna just lost, bro. You have to have something where you know people are gonna always remember you by. So if these type of performance is what Skeng like to do, and these type of performance is what the fans them love to see from Skeng, then you cannot bash Skeng for it. He might go give his fans what they came to see. You see me? But me also have some comments from some people that, you know, some of them are beat out on it, while some, you know, some are say, oh, it's okay. So I'm gonna read some of the comments and make you know so what really are going, you see me? So the first comment says, new shoes is still a dirty shoes. When I think other people not put them foot in that, think again. The next comment says, this you turn a big waist man in a dance hall. Another comment says, nasty, no F. The next comment says, do what makes you happy, Skeng. Make money and be happy. No one is going to feed you but you. So that's the last comment I'm going to read. And as you can see, people are beat Skeng on it, while we have this last comment that, you know, they must say, Skeng, do whatever you want to do. Nobody now feed about you, you see me? So you have to understand, people are going to say it's nasty. And as me say, my honest opinion, I won't do it. I know some enough artists out there wouldn't do it same way, but I'm not going to beat Skeng on it, because as me say, if at this is fans them like to see when he might perform, then you have to do what you have to do. You see me? If this will give you the bread in your pocket, then you have to do what you have to do. You see me? So at the end of the day, I'm not beat no artist for whatever or however they want to perform, however they want to carry out their performance on stage. Just do what you have to do. You see me? But my honest opinion is that me not rate it, and I know something where me would actually do if I was an artist. You see me? So at the end of the day, Skeng do what you have to do. Same way, you see me? And big up to Skeng. I not beat Skeng or nothing. But big up to him, same way, you see me? So if you subscribe, and you can let me know what you think about that under the comment section. Make me know how you feel about it. So this is just a little short update. So remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new to the channel. Run this up to 1,000 via subscriber. Yo, we almost reached there. See me? So yeah man, big up on yourself. Respect for the love and support. Catch you now in our next one.